I literally just took my hair out of the little doohickey, what's it called, the heatless curl thing. Yeah, I love those things. Okay, so I'm not going to brush my curls because I like to just kind of let them fall on their own, but that's not why you guys are here. By the way, ignore the fact that I probably have cat hair all over me. Akuta Kitty, she stopped by for a little bit, and of course I just, so I'm covered in cat hair. Hi friends, I forgot to take a thumbnail. Hold on. So we are unboxing the Ipsy Icon box by the glorious Miss MCGRATH. So I never know 100% if I am going to be receiving anything from Ipsy. This was sent in PR, so thank you to Ipsy for sending this over my way. I am super excited. I have no idea what is in this box. I purchased the BoxyCharm by Ipsy box, and they also sent that over. I'm going to film that in a separate video. They did send over the glam bag as well, and I also purchased that, so I'll be back to unbox those. And Haley has sometimes a little bit more time, like she just had to like bebop in and out, but hopefully we'll be able to start back up our Ipsy versus Ipsy. So if you're new to the channel, hello and welcome. My name's Rhonda, and over here we embrace the hot mess in this judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we're here to have a good time for a long time and keep it cute, and putting it on mute is kind of the name of the game. I don't know. Happy Friday. I am hoping to be able to bust this video out and get it up for y'all tonight. Let's go ahead and give a big shout out and thank you to my YouTube members. Thank you guys so much for helping to support the channel. I appreciate you all more than you know. To those of you deciding to click that thanks button and tip and donate to the channel, thank you guys so much. And if you are just returning, thank you. I appreciate everybody. Without you all, this would not be a successful channel. Multiple channels. Check me out on my other one, HOTMESS MOMMA vlogs for curvy old fashion hauls over there. HOTMESS in the kitchen, and low-key I'm a little scared. I feel like I'm getting my son's cold. And I'm like, no, Mama, you got no time for that. Okay, so the Ipsy Icon box is a quarterly box. And on top of that, somebody, whether it's a celebrity or a makeup artist, curates the box. Now, like I told you guys, this was sent over in PR, so I don't have any pics. Now, if you ordered this, you will actually get to make some of the pics as well, as part of the pics are picked for you too. So, do you guys see that? That's purple foam. Oh my gosh, that makes me so happy. I've been queen of complaining, hence why I didn't know if I was going to receive the PR, because I complain about the shipping all the time. Now, mine was all shipped in one box, but this makes me so happy to see foam. Let me know down below, did you guys get foam too? Okay, so I don't have a pamphlet here, so I can't tell you what pics were Miss MCGRATH and what pics were Ipsy's or mine or what have you. But the first item in here is the Patchology Patches Gel Illuminators. Wait, my bad. That was not my language. So this is the illuminating eye gels. You see the other side is like in French or something. Look, y'all, I barely speak English. So, anyways, hopefully I'm in focus because I forgot to cover that. I've tried these in the past, and actually I really like these eye patches. I think they're really good. There is going to be a total of 15 pairs in here, so these are always nice to have, and I will definitely be using them. Next in here we've got something by LYS Beauty. This is the Speak Love. Are these glosses? Ooh, okay. So this is a glossy lip treatment oil. This is very good. And then this one is Speak Love. This is, again, just a deeper color. I have this and I absolutely love this. So I'm sure this is going to be just as nice, and then have the tint of color. Oh. I was trying to twist it. Girl. Oh my gosh, it's literally like a throwback of this color. Was it by Maybelline or something? My mom had it in her makeup stash, and I flippin' would sneak in there and get it. It's literally the same color. This is really pretty, and I actually really like that because look, you can dab it out and just get like a stain. So this is really pretty. Don't be scared of it. I know what you're probably saying, like, I can't believe you actually like that, Rhonda, because you never like dark colors. Listen, I do like some. I just don't like ones that are like super pigmented, opacity, or whatever it's called. I can feel it in my head and my nose. Like my nose is clogging up. That's fun. Next in here, oh my gosh. If you watched my Sephora haul yesterday, I was literally talking about this brand, and I am so freaking glad this was in there because this is in my Sephora cart. I actually added this. This is the moisturizing body lotion by Alo Glow System. They actually have a yoga line of clothing too. It's pretty expensive. But it's a clean beauty brand, and this actually has arnica in it, which if you guys didn't know, your girl broke her collarbone last year. Arnica was my BFF. I'm not one to take a lot of like painkiller thingies or anything. I don't like that. So arnica is amazing. So this is a superfruit moisturizing body lotion with amla, arnica, coconut oil. It's going to nourish, hydrate, and illuminate. It's clean beauty. I am so excited because I swear by the magnesium spray by Alo, and I told you guys I have sensitive armpits, and magnesium spray is really good on the bottoms of your feet and your armpits, on your chest. It is so amazing. So yeah, they have a whole line at Sephora, and I was going to pick up some more stuff. Okay, that was really long-winded, Rhonda. Next in here, we have the Ace Beauté Hydrating Face Primer. So I wonder if this was a pic of Pat McGrath. Oh my gosh. And the reason I say that is because I'm looking at the rest of, oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. I'm being so freaking annoying. You don't have to tell me about it, okay? Just know your girl is getting a cold, which causes me to be a little bit more annoying than normal. My fault. I wasn't taking my vitamin C. I got to go take my goo. But I am surprised to see this versus like Pat McGrath's primer. You know, I honestly thought we'd see a little bit more of her stuff. I know that the camera has twisted, and no, my house is not haunted. I swear, I promise you all. I mean, not that I know of anyways. I am going to take a left-hand turn, so you have been warned. But I have like this little camera protector doohickey case thingy that's like rubber, and I was like really twisting my camera onto the tripod. I think I twisted it a little too much, so she tends to turn, which is probably a good thing considering the fact, look at me, I'm like, am I recording? I'm just gonna move on, okay? This has me excited. This is also in my flippin' cart right now at Sephora. Sephora's VIB sale is still going on until November 6th. That's why I'm so excited to see this, because it's gonna save me some money. So this is the Tatcha Rice Wash. This stuff is amazing. I love this. I'm about down to here on mine. This is so nice and gentle on your skin. If you have dry skin, like I have definitely dry skin, 100% dry skin, and I burnt my face over the summertime accidentally mixing a little too many things that had chemicals in there and fried my face, and this was one of the things that brought my skin back. The Tatcha, the Tower 28, SOS, and Bloom Effects. Yes, those three, if you want good skincare from Sephora, which Bloom Effects isn't at Sephora, which they should be. Hello, Sephora. Yeah, those made my face like back to normal again. This stuff is so amazing. It's expensive, I know, but I promise you it is so good for my skin. So good. This next thing has me very excited because I've seen this go viral on TikTok. The Danessa Myricks Beauty Dew Wet Balm. It's a highlighting face body balm. It's in the shade Rose Water. Maybe this is not what girl, this is exactly why you can't be trusted with big girl scissors. So maybe this is, okay, this isn't it. I thought this was that one thing that people were powdering their face with. Okay, first of all, how beautiful is this packaging? Isn't that so pretty? I like that. Oh, okay. It's funny because my first thought was Galactic. Do you remember when we used to get the Galactic highlighters or whatever? It's so pretty, I don't want to touch it. And it's so funny, I was just talking to my friend Jen. She was talking about Jen B Cruelty Free, by the way. She's on Instagram and TikTok. But we were talking about how pretty the Wonder Oven is that I got from our place. And I unboxed it on TikTok. And I want to film with it. But I kid you not, y'all, it's so freaking pretty that I put it right back into the box. And she's like, I do the exact same thing. And I'm like, I do that with everything. Makeup, clothing, shoes, kitchen appliances. Like my beauty room. It took my girlfriend Jotty going, Rhonda, film in there. I'm like, it's pretty and I'm going to screw it up. She's like, get in there. What are you scared of? I'm like, messing it up. I have a problem. And it's so pretty. I don't want to touch it. It's this gorgeous, like, soft, beautiful. I'm gonna touch it. I'm gonna touch it. Ooh. Oh, it's really soft. Ooh, it's so glossy and glassy. I feel like that would not only be pretty on your, like, as a highlighter, but I feel like that would be beautiful on your lips. I feel like it would be beautiful. Look at me now, I'm like digging in on your eyes. Honestly, that is very stunning. Oh, so sorry about my nose, you guys. It keeps clogging up. That's beautiful. It's a little on the tacky side, so I don't know if that'll dry. Oops. There. Okay. If that'll dry down. Actually, it's not. It must dry down. That's really pretty, though. That is freaking gorgeous. It kind of reminds me of what I wanted, that Kevin Aquan. It came in a pump, and it was like a body glaze or something like that. That's what I wanted that to be, but it was very like stick your hair to your cheek kind of thing, where I don't think this is going to do that. Yeah, no, you're good. That's nice. I like that. All right, next in here is the Pat McGrath Dark Star Mascara. Again, I would assume she picked this. I feel like this camera just keeps on turning. Actually, I have this and I like it a lot. When did I get that? I think okay, hold on. It's the pink for me. The pink writing in here, beautiful, stunning. Matches this. I love that. But yeah, I've used the Pat McGrath mascara before and it is super, super nice. So that's awesome. And then last in this box is the Murad Rapid Collagen Infusion Resurgent. So it's a step 2 treat. It's a fast acting treatment. It's going to help plump the skin. That's nice. And minimize the look of lines. Okay, well, thank you. I think she knew stuff. So that full size, we love that. So my thoughts on this, I'm super excited to see Danessa Myricks in here because I don't own any of her products, but I do want to. I am so excited to see more of this. This is a freaking amazing box. I know Tina and I were talking about her picks and she's like, Rhonda, like, this is blowing me out of the water. This is so awesome. And I have to agree. The Icon box, this is my favorite Icon box of 2023. Hands down, 100%, Pat McGrath did the darn thing. She did the darn thing and I love it. I think this is awesome. I love that it was a good mix of skincare and makeup in here. I think she did great and I'm really excited over the brands. I mean, honestly, I feel like you're getting a great box for the price. Hands down. I don't know if you can still make picks. Probably not, to be 100 with you guys. So if that's the case, if you want to go ahead and sign up, then you can still, more than likely, if there's still boxes available, still receive this box. I do have an affiliate link that I will have down below for y'all. I'm gonna have to go drink some tea. This cold coffee, she ain't doing it. Oh my gosh, but coffee strong all day long. Oh, it's so good. Anyways, let me know y'all's thoughts on this box. I think it was absolutely amazing. The best Icon box to date. Hands down, I said it. I'm so excited. Thank you so much, Ipsy, for sending this my way. If I had paid for this box, I would have been super, super crazy excited over it. I would have definitely felt like I got my money's worth. So let me know y'all's thoughts down below, and let me know what all you guys are getting from the Sephora VIB sale, because I just knocked 2 things off my list. Thank you, Miss Pat McGrath. I definitely appreciate it. Anyways, friends, I'm jumping off for now. I'm going to go ahead and film the Ipsy, or Boxycharm by Ipsy box, as well as the glam bag, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Thank you once again to my YouTube members, to those of you clicking the thanks button and donating to the channel. Check me out on my other channels, Hot Mess Mama Vlogs, for curvy girl fashion hauls and hot mess in the kitchen. I'm on TikTok and Instagram at HotMessMomma4, and I am hoping and praying that this thing moves through me quick, because I tell you what, my goal this weekend is to paint my foyer in my kitchen, and if I can do this room, I want to do that too. Girls got goals. Okay. Anyways, friends, until next time, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye.